I'm going to show you how you can get the BoldTrail CRM demo. If you want to get a demo, you will have to go to boldtrail.com. That is BoldTrail.com. If you want to go there, you can see this is what it will look like, boldtrail.com. Now on here, you want to go ahead and either watch a video if you'd like, or you can also get a hands-on demo as well. If you want to watch a video, this is what it will look like here. It'll pop up right here. Or if you want to get an on-hand demo, just tap on this button, get a demo. And then on here, you will have to enter in a couple of your names. So enter in your first name, your last name, your phone, your email, company, team size, job title, and also product interest. So for the product interest, obviously you will have to do product CRM here, right? So on here, enter in all of these and then tap on submit, and then a BoldTrail member will get back to you to do a demo for the CRM specifically. You can also just go straight into this URL here, so BoldTrail, and then hashtag BoldTrail demo requests. And then once you go there, you can see this is what it will look like. And then that's it. You're done. You can also call sales here directly if you'd like, but of course, you can also just do the submit requesting here so it's easier for you as well.